Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn how to order on Acbuy. So the very first thing that we should do here is we just have to open any of our browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to search for Acbuy. Okay, so just click on the search bar at the top, and then I just have to type out Acbuy. That's right, and then you'll be able to see this first website, so just click on this one. Now right here, you'll be able to see the search bar, so you just have to put here the product link or the name of the product. But before that, of course, we have to sign up or log into our account. But if you don't have an account yet, you can just sign up. Okay, so here, just select your country. Then you have to put your email right here. That's right. Okay, and then you have to create your password. You have to confirm your password. And then you just have to type out this verification code. And if you have an invitational code, you can also put that right here. But this one is optional, okay? And then just click on this box right here and click on sign up. Or you can also sign in with your Google account. Okay, so once you click on your Google account, you just have to click on continue and you're good to go. Okay, so here you can verify your email, but let's just skip this part for now. Okay, but you have to verify your email. You just have to check your email and then just go to the link. Now right here, you just have to place your orders. Okay, so place an item link to submit an order. Here, 3 to 5 free QC photos and 90 free storage. Step 3 is to submit parcels, to bundle packaging and check the parcel and the international shipping. Cheaper line with more 150 plus shipping partners. Okay, now let's try to paste here a product link or just type out the name of the product that you are looking for. For example, if you're looking for a mirror. Okay, so here we have 1688 and Taobao. So these platforms are the providers of the Acbuy. So for example, you want to compare the prices. So this is the price for 1688 and let's try to look for a similar product. So for this one, we have $6.2. Okay, so if you think it's better to consider the price, then you just have to select the lower price. So let's just go to 1688 for this one. Now let's click on this product, and after that, we can now see here the full details of the product. So you just have to zoom in the product to check the details. And right here, you have the full name of this product. Okay, and then the currency and then the equivalent amount in USD. So we have $4.02. Then we have the color, the quantity, and then if you want to leave a message to the supplier or to Acbuy, you just have to put here your instructions. And we have here the details of the product. That is right. Okay, and for the disclaimer, so all of the product available for shipping agent service displayed on Acbuy are from third-party shipping platforms and not directly sold by the Acbuy. Okay, so if you are willing to take the risk, you just have to click on the box. So let us now try to purchase a product. Okay, so here the price will vary on the color and the quantity, of course. So we have this color and then the size of this one. So what you're going to do here is to input the equivalent USD amount right here. Okay, and click on buy now. Now next thing that you should do here is to confirm your order. So this is now step number 2. So select your country destination and click on submit, but do not forget to click on that I have read and agreed. That's right. And for the step number 3 is to pay for the product. So you can add a card right here, and of course you have to add your billing address. And after paying for this purchase, now for step number 4, they're going to send the package, and the last one is submit for delivery. Now let's go back right here and try to open a new tab and go to Taobao, and let's try to copy a link from a specific product and try to paste it on Acbuy. Okay, so let me just click on this Taobao. Okay, and then let's just select a random product, for example this one. Here, just click on the share option at the top, and then you just have to copy the clean link and go back to Acbuy. You just have to paste it right here and click on search now. Now for the product information, okay, if the Acbuy will not going to find the product using the link that you have provided, here you can input manually all of the product information. So you have the link, the name of the product. You can go back to Taobao, then copy the name of the product, and then we have the specifications or the materials. For the fees, we have the unit price, and then for the other, this one is optional, the image of the product. But this one is one of the important things so that Acbuy would be able to determine if what kind of product you mean. Okay, so now let's try to find another product. For example, a chair. So we have here on 6988, and we have chairs on Taobao. Okay, so since we did not specify what kind of chair we want to buy, so they have different results. So here, just select the product that is perfect for your budget. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay, so again, we have the full details of the product. Now let's open a new tab and let's go back to Taobao. Okay, so here on Taobao, they're very strict because before you can really search for a product, you have to sign up or sign in for an account. And if you are not from this country, sometimes the Google Translator will not going to function here, so it's kind of difficult to understand the words. But with the help of the Acbuy, you can now easily access the products from Taobao. Okay, so now let's just go back here on Acbuy. So again, we have here the price of this product, the full information, including the different colors. So here you just have to select the variant. That's right. And then again, do not forget to input right here the price that you can see at the top. So the Acbuy, or formerly known as the All China Buy, is a shopping agent platform that empowers international users to purchase directly from major Chinese e-commerce marketplaces such as Taobao and 6988 without needing to navigate language barriers, local payment systems, or logistics complexities. Users simply paste a product link, choose options like size or color, and Acbuy places the order on their behalf. And then once item arrives at Acbuy's warehouse, it undergoes a quality control inspection and photos are uploaded so users can verify the item before internationally shipped. Okay, so this service also supports order consolidation, multiple shipping methods, and transparent pricing in USD, making it especially appealing for resellers, streetwear collectors, and shoppers seeking rare or discounted Chinese goods. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.